What's up, guys? Jesse here, AI Music Money, and I got a great announcement for y'all today. I've been working hard, but major credibility check. Hopefully, I'll put this at the front of the video. If you want to know how, or if you want to know why you're even listening to me, it's because in the past several months, I made almost $70,000 with AI music, and that's why the majority of the people are here listening to me with over $20,000 a month for consecutive months, right? And it made me wait 2 weeks for this last payout, and but it's because I've been making so much money and I'm withdrawing, $10,000 every other week. They were, I guess slowing me down. So if you want to know how I made this, or if you want to see my revenue breakdown, I did a revenue breakdown video yesterday. Go watch my free courses that are on YouTube. Today I've been working hard, and I've created what everyone's been finally asking for, a free Skool community, all right? So you're going to go check it out. It's skool.com/AI Gorilla. Link's going to be below every video. Don't worry. We've already got a bunch of stuff posted in there for you, a bunch of tools, a bunch of things to go check out, links to go follow, little courses created for you. We have a classroom created, the beginner roadmap, everything laid out for your AI journey so that you can become profitable in your AI businesses. And no matter what you want to do, but obviously leading the way is going to be making music. You're going to get educated on these tools. And then the first thing you're going to do is start making music. That's what I recommend. But obviously there's more than one way to skin a cat, right? All the way through these phases. We got this laid out for you right here. You can even go download this right now from the Skool community. Go check this out. We got little educationals on everything going through. We have a mega prompt starter pack right here with a battle plan. You can lay it out by week. It's going to have your creator prompt arsenal. So you got a whole bunch of prompts in here for you. You can go check these out, right? It's quick start tips, how to use them, different ways to use brackets, quick start guides for different things that you want to do inside of your LLM. And even though it says ChatGPT Claude, you can use these for any LLM, right? So you can go there and simple things, get a YouTube content calendar, video idea machine, viral Twitter thread writer, right? And you can start training your AIs. You can start getting different prompts for stuff like that. We also have, where is it? AI Music Starter Kit right here, right? This is your path to getting to your first $1,000, okay? Breaks everything down for you, different ways that you can earn royalties. And this is stuff here for everybody to go get, download, to keep, to read through, to translate, right? Step by step, we're getting started with Suno AI, setting your genre, mood, tempo, all right? We put this in here for you. We've been begging for this, okay? You got a catalog tracker. You got your creator toolkit. You got your prompts. What else did we get in here for you? We have videos in here, how to set up your YouTube music artist channel, right? So you can set it up to edit out those bad comments, the negativity. You can set it to where you don't have to see that stuff. And if people do get through the filter, you auto ban them, by the way, all right? Right here we have the create an artist and claim official channel, how to make a looping AI music videos. And then we have prompts to set up basically not essentially agents, but I just call it training your separate LLMs. You can set up your different agents in ChatGPT, but you can do this for anything. You can go set up an agent or a codex in Claude, or whatever you want to do. And I got these in here so you can scroll through them. You should be able to easily go right down like that and copy and paste everything. And now you can train your bots. The first one is, train like a high-level editing team for thumbnails and cover art. Paste this into the chat. And then you can take the prompts and you can use it for whatever you want to do. We got this there for you if you want to use it. I made these tools for everybody just to get you started. I know there's a lot of people that don't know what's going on with the AI world, and I just want you to get started. Hopefully there's some useful stuff in here. We got these videos here. So if you don't have YouTube Premium, these are without ads. These are all on YouTube. All these videos are on YouTube already, but if you're having trouble finding them, this is walking you through the process here. And we got our first monthly challenge started in here, okay? Starting it off strong. The monthly challenge is simple. Each person gets the opportunity to post one AI music video that is an AI music video into this chat. You must post it down below. At the end of the month and it'll be mid-month next month. It'll be April 15th, midnight Eastern time. I will count which music video has the most thumbs up, has the most likes from the community. We just literally posted this link. I've told nobody about it. We had 5 people join already. I expect there's going to be a lot more people in here very quickly. The sooner you get your video posted, the sooner you can start getting likes, right? People aren't going to be in here every day. So keep that in mind. Get your video in there first. You have the best chance of winning, I think. Yeah, get that posted in there. You're going to have to put your song title, cover art, an image with it, right? And then your video. Basically, you can use the image you made to make your video. Post that in there. I can Cash App you, or not Cash App you, I can PayPal you or Wise you. That's the 2 methods. No other methods of delivery are available for those funds. You don't have to pay to play. You just got to be a member of this Skool community to participate. Also wanted to show y'all some tools that I've been working on. And then I'm going to show y'all a cool video I've been working on messing around with HeyGen. But first, let's check on this, see if it's doing anything. All right, it's still not done generating the video. We're working on a tool right now. Hopefully make it faster for generating videos real quick. WAV tool. We'll see if we can get that faster. But also, I've been working on my desktop with all my tools lined up. And to every AI tool that I use on a kind of a habitual basis. But plus also, it's tailored to my feed. So I've been working on this. It's pretty cool. And I just got AI chat right in there. And you can go to your settings and put your own API key in. But I made this for me just so whenever I open a new page, so automatically loads this up. All my tools, if I want to go to Suno, I want to go to Claude, I want to go to Gemini, DistroKid, Kling AI, Midjourney, 11 Labs, right? This is for my voiceovers and stuff. I can go right to it, or to HeyGen if I want to get right into HeyGen, right? All these different things that I'm using, because I use a lot of tools. And even Google doesn't hold enough links, right? It runs out of room. So you got to, at a certain point, you kind of want to get your own desktop. So you see I've been working at HeyGen, messing around with this stuff too. But, and I'm going to show y'all some creepy stuff in a minute, get y'all's thoughts on that. But, the time is now. The tools are out here. And I've been messing around with Perplexity AI, making all these tools, building the tools that I've made for you guys. I've built most of them here in Perplexity AI computer. I don't know how to code. These things are no code. And now we have tools on the Chrome store, right? You can go get. They're all at the AI Gorilla page, which is also linked down here on my desktop here that pops up whenever I open a new page, right? And you can do stuff like this too. Or if y'all are interested in this, let me know. I'll post this in the community. You can download this and just as a Chrome extension, and it'll populate in your desktop as well. This is links to basically the stories from my favorite newsletters. AI Gorilla, of course, that's me, but TechCrunch, Ars Technica AI, The Verge AI, VentureBeat AI, The Rundown AI, MIT AI News, right? And then, I got a preloaded prompt here from my home AI, which is just Gemini. But if I want to make something, I can just make cool pictures right in the app now. So this has been super useful, saving me time already. I'll just jump over here, click on a picture, and generate thumbnails about whatever I want. And I wanted to show you all that tool real quick. And what was the next one? But yeah, BeatViz. This is the one I'm working on right now. Trying to get this thing. I have a free editing tool to really make quick videos, but hopefully get this automated. I've been working on this for a while. It's like one problem at a time, of course, and you take your time. But you have Perplexity Computer, which is like Claudebot on steroids. Okay, this is way better. This is out of control. You can schedule all your tasks. It can email you. You can do whatever you want. You can feed it RSS feeds to email you newsletter, whatever you want to do. It can do it. And I've been doing everything I can think of with this thing. So super cool. I'm sitting here messing around building this app right now, and you can see I'm building the version of this Beat Vision, as we're calling it right now. We're probably going to change the name. I'm shopping around for domains right now. I found a few that I liked. Now I'm to cart that I might name this tool next. But I've been having so much fun building tools that I only published one album today. So, and I don't even know if I would publish any music tomorrow. I'm going to be busy tomorrow too. And I'm going to try to get you guys a video out I really just wanted to announce the free school. I stayed up late working on this for y'all and got a lot of content in here for you. Got some members in here already. That's super cool. We got some tools and resources. We got prompts. We got the $100 AI video challenge. So if $100 to do you some good, get in here and publish a video. I'm going to send that to you. You can ask people in our regular Skool community. So let's pump the paid community now, right? If you want to have the jump start to go make money, which we also have a challenge. If you want to have the jump start to go make money with AI music the way I do, then you're going to jump over here. You're going to get the tools you see me use and go watch all my courses. And you're going to get those tools, okay? Afterwards, but I made a little video for you. You're going to get a kick out of this.
The AI revolution is here, and there's a specific group perfectly positioned to lead it. If you're in your 30s or 40s, you aren't just watching the change. You are the advantage. Why? Because you have something that younger generations are still building. Deep domain expertise. You understand the why behind the work, not just the how of the tools. You've seen tech shifts before, and you know how to navigate organizational change. AI isn't coming for your job. It's coming to amplify your existing wisdom. Think of it as an ultra-capable intern that never sleeps, handling the mundane tasks. This frees you up to focus on what matters. High-level strategy and creative leadership. At this stage in your career, you have the network and the capital to take calculated risks. Whether it's starting a new venture or transforming your current role, the time is now. The old ways of working are evolving. Your experience tells you which parts to keep. AI can't replicate your empathy, your negotiation skills, or your gut feelings. Your years of relationship building are more valuable than ever in a digital-first world. You know which problems are actually worth solving with AI. That's critical. The transition isn't about learning to code, it's about learning to prompt and partner. New tools are launched daily, and your seasoned eye can spot the winners from the noise. Staying curious is your greatest asset. Don't let how it used to be hold you back. The market is looking for AI plus talent, experience plus technical agility. This combination leads to more freedom, better compensation, and exciting projects. You're at the peak of your powers. AI is the jet fuel for your next decade. Some worry they've started too late, but the most important AI tool is already in your head. It's your years of failure, success, and learning how people really work. Younger workers may have the speed, but you have the judgment to deploy it correctly. Start by integrating one AI tool into your workflow this week. Just one. Watch how it changes your output and your confidence.
So, let me know what y'all think about that. It's kind of a little bit creepy. I mean, I'm interested. It did a fantastic job, honestly. Did some weird stuff with my ears. They look super cauliflowered, I guess. And, yeah, I took a picture of me and then a voiceover of me and made this. And, with Hey Jen. If you're interested in how I did that, let me know. I might make a tutorial on it or something. It's not very hard. I think most of you can figure that out. But maybe not. Made a short, basically 2.5 minute video on its own. And yeah, I'm blown away. I'm honestly blown away. AI is just crushing it every day. Opportunities are coming and going, right? As fast as your eye can blink. You know, AI is not going to replace you, but someone using AI just might. You know, if you're in, I wrote it down right there, but if you're, in your 30s and 40s, the time for you to act is now. You have the experience, the expertise. And now you no longer need the technical ability, but it's here. And you can jump on it. You can do anything. You can expand anything, right? I'm going to start using some of this probably to make some videos. And we'll see how they do. We'll see what you guys think and whatnot. Not sure how to frame it yet, but yeah, I think I might be able to do some stuff with this. We'll see what happens. But I want to get your feedback on that. I want to know what you think. It's obviously not me, right? Doesn't sound like me, right? Doesn't sound like me to me. So I don't think it sounds like me to you. But yeah, if you're interested in that, let me know. May do like another channel where I just fill it full of that stuff, but I don't think it's going to do anything. We shall see. I'm messing around with some tutorial stuff, but automation is fun. Automation is fun. And, you know, you release a claw bot with some Perplexity computer and a HeyGen script, and you got a real expensive catastrophe waiting to happen. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great weekend. If I don't get a video out for y'all tomorrow, I'm sorry, but I should. I'm going to be creating, but I'm about to go spend some time with the fam. I've been in a dungeon all day, building apps, building things out, I created an album still today, regardless. But so I don't feel like I didn't get anything done. But I also got this video for you guys out today. So hopefully y'all get some value out of this. And go check out the free Skool community. Start posting in there. We're going to do giveaways. We got the first one's $100 challenge. That's 100 US dollars, okay? And, you know, it's only going to go up from here. It's only going up from here, okay? And we're going to be open to feedback as well. Things you'd like to see. But obviously my main focus is AI Music Empire. Talk to people in there every day on the chat. Get on video chat with people every day. We got several VIP students. And yeah, I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. That's why I made that free Skool community for y'all. Putting valuable content in there. Creating things for you that you can use to help you come into this AI era. Because I know how hard it is. I know how hard it is, right? If you're watching this far in, you're probably having a hard time. Or you probably like, you know, overwhelmed by these things, just like I still am, but I'm still navigating. Still overwhelming though. Okay, there's a lot. So I even made that desktop. But I thought I'd share that. It's been saving me time all day. Because the amount of time, you know, it's faster for me to open a tab and go to what I need to than it is to type it in, especially if it's just there for me. So super happy with that. I've actually made some thumbnails, made some pictures, and you can see them. They're all posted up in the, I've been using it to help create everything in the free community. So I was able to post so fast too. But I also got these other app tools I'm using. Remember, if you guys have questions about anything, just drop them in the chat on the YouTube. And we'll get to it. Have a great weekend. Peace.
Cloud kisses off your lips. Every pull got the room in this. Slow burn on the dusty beat. Stay right here, don't move an inch. Wet bottle halo on the nightstand. Half full glass, sweat on my hand. You laugh low, tug on my sleeve. Say one more like we ever leave. Cloud kisses off your lips. Every pull got the room in this. Slow burn on the dusty beat. Stay right here, don't move an inch. Old movie humming in the background. Phone face down, we don't hear a sound. Time drips thick, stuck in this frame. Your breath in my neck, calling my name. Cloud kisses off your lips. Cloud kisses off your lips. Cloud kisses off your lips. Every pull got the room in miss. Slow burn on the dusty beat. Stay right here, don't move an inch.